today we made this dino land, and there's a bunch of dinos. Should we move on to telling the dinos or not? And now we should tell the dinos. This is a Spinosaurus. Ooh, and that is a Mosasaurus. That's a Triceratops. Those are four Triceratopses. That's a T-Rex. That's a T-Rex fighting at least 3 Velociraptors and 2 T-Rexes.
Velociraptors?
Yeah, Velociraptors. And
Safwan, did you paint this dinosaur yourself?
Yes.
That's why it's so colorful.
Yeah.
So what's going on over there? Why are they fighting?
Because this guy stole their egg, and now they're all fighting at it.
Oh no. And what is this guy doing alone?
I don't know. He's just being himself.
Okay.
Okay.
I like the Triceratops family. It's so cute.
Yeah. Okay. This is a Brachiosaurus.
That's a fossil. What is that doing in your dino world?
I don't know. Okay, these are 2 Stegosauruses. They're on a raft. 3 baby ones, and they're on a raft.
Who built them a raft in a prehistoric time?
Yeah.
Is that the mom?
Yeah.
Is that the mom?
Yeah, that's the brother.
What is she saying to the babies?
Don't get on this. Oh, don't get on this.
Oh, but they didn't listen? They got on anyways?
Yeah, and they flew all the way to Big River.
They're going down the river?
Yeah, and then they said, and this guy said, "Don't get on this rock. It's too big." It started crying.
What dino is that?
Oh, here's Herodotus.
What does it have on its head?
It has a crust. It's called crust.
Wow, a crust?
Yeah, we're almost done, guys. This is a Brachiosaurus egg. This is actually my sister's. I stole it.
Oh my goodness.
She's gonna be pretty mad.
That's why he's so giant.
Yeah.
What is this? That's his egg?
Yeah.
Oh my.
A meteor hit this guy.
So Brachiosauruses are meat eaters?
No, leaf eaters.
Oh, and the only way they survive is by being so giant.
Yeah. And this is a Carnotaurus. I don't know some of them, so that's why I didn't tell you.
What's on a Carnotaurus's head? What is that?
A Carnotaurus's head, spikes, and with their spikes on, they can see really far.
Wow, they have really cool far sight vision.
Yeah, sight vision. And rocks that sparkle, we painted them.
We did.
Yeah, and we actually sparkle. Did you know we can paint these out? We can make these at home, guys.
What about all the trees?
Oh, the trees? They're just blocking some...
Did we make these or did we buy these?
We built these. Guys, you got to have a video of us seeing this, okay?
Yeah, we made these cardstock trees. I love your dino world.
Thanks. I made it myself. And this is a sky we usually made. And my mom did not make this. Fine, she did.
Your mom helped you.
Yeah, my mom helped me.
I like your river.
Thanks. I made that myself.
I wish I could go on this raft.
Why?
It seems fun.
Yeah, it does.
And what are these, water dinos?
Yeah.
Very
Hey,
creative.
Mama, we could have put my Lego Stegosaurus here. Now, look, there's a volcano erupting. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.